Good morning, student. Next, in this session, we have to learn about the increasing the soil fertility. How to increase the soil fertility? Some of the microorganisms present in the soil can fix nitrogen gas to form an atmosphere to form the nitrogen compound. See, we have to see the example we have to take. This example is a very useful to us. It is, for example, we have to take the groundnut plant. In the groundnut plant, what will happen? It is a taproot is there, and here is a leaves is there. This like leaves. Leaves is there, and here is a small flowers. In the root, here is a root nodule. Root nodule is there here. See this like root nodule. In the root nodule is taking the water and mineral, water plus minerals taking through root. See this like root is there. Next here atmosphere to is a nitrogen and preparing the ammonia. N2 plus H2 gives NH3. Ammonia is a preparing. See 2NH3. So it is a preparing the ammonia and ammonia in the presence of bacteria. So it is a symbiotic process. It is a compound, nitrogen compound. Next, those nitrogen compound mix with soil and increase the soil fertility, and some bacteria, blue-green algae, are able to fix the nitrogen gas, and it is a atmosphere enrich the soil and N2 compound and increase the soil fertility. See this slide. It is a blue-green algae also. See, we have to see the, for example, Rhizobium bacteria, blue-green algae, green algae. See, these are a helping to the nitrogen fixation, and our soil fertility will be increasing. The soil fertility will be increasing. Okay. Next, we have to see the nitrogen fixing bacteria, blue-green algae, are called the biological nitrogen fixers, and the fertilizers used to the agriculture. See, Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodule. So it is these Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodule. See, root nodule is there. It is a Rhizobium bacteria. Is present in root nodules. Next, we have to see the Rhizobium bacteria increasing the soil fertility also. It is also increasing the soil fertility. It is about the increasing soil fertility. See, that's why it is a farmers is a yearly is a crop rotation is a doing. Crop is a rotating. See, for example, this year is showing the for example, it is a one crop. For example, wheat. Okay. For example, if you taking the kharif crop for is a kharif crop for moong, urad, soybean. See, they have to show the next crop. Next crop means it is a we are calling rabi crop. Rabi crop. They have to show the in that land is a wheat. Means if you giving to the this already this bacteria is present, these roots is present in the soil, what will happen? Soil fertility will be increasing, soil will be more porous, and the it is a healthy or is healthy growing the that plants. Which plants? It is a wheat plants, wheat crop. We will get the more productions. If you sowing the same crops again and again that land, what will happen? The production, the productive will be decreasing. See, we are not getting the sufficient production. See, that's why we have to rotate the crops. Crop is a rotation is there. We have to see our farmers say it is a rotating the crop yearly. Okay, next one is a cleaning the environment. Cleaning environment. Okay, what say? We have to see that some microbes like certain bacteria and fungi decompose the organic matter and produce present in the dead plants and animals, and their waste convert into simple substances which are mixed with the soil. And see, we have to see the dead plants is there, dead plants plus animals. What will happen? It is a decomposing in the presence of bacteria and fungi. Presence of bacteria and fungi. Bacteria and fungi, and here forming the decomposition. So it is a complex substances converted into simple substances. Okay, these simple substances is a given to the plant. Again the plant is growing the healthy. See, this like cleaning our environment. For example, we have to see the in our towns, in our cities, see metropolitan cities, number of waste is a production day to day. See this organic waste and inorganic waste. So it is a we have to see the plants and animals waste, and we have to see these carry bags, polythene bags. See this like number of is a producing day to day. What will happen? See, these substances means organic substances like a plants and animals waste, it is a decomposing easily and it will be converted into simple substances. We are using that manure, and various microbes is using and decomposing. We are producing the number of production like a gases. See, methane gases also we are producing these. See this like these microbes is a helping to us is a keeping our environment is a clean. Our environment is a keeping the clean. Since microorganisms and decompose the harmful and smelly dead remains. It is a harmful and smelly dead remains. What will happen? There is no microbes in our environment. It is so many waste material is a present same as it is. Okay, see that's why it is a microbes is a helping to us keeping our environment is a clean. Next, plants animal waste like feces, dung, urine into the harmless materials, they clean the environment. See, number of these materials is a it is a releasing in our atmosphere like a fecal matter. We have to see in our surrounding. It is a garbage. It is a waste materials is present. Urine also it is spreading the some some days is a bad smell, but within some days we have to keep these microbes is keeping the clean to our environment. See, microbes help in recycling the nutrients. See, we have to see the dead plants and animals is decomposing, and the decomposed material again recycling and sipping inside our soil, and our plants is growing the healthy. This is about the clean environment. Clean environment.